This is a 2013 BMW 6 Series. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a rear-view camera, comfort access, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an aluminum hood, a sport suspension, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a ventilation system, cruise control, a premium sound system, wood trim interior accents, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.